Elliott Jets is proud to present this 1998 Citation Excel. This meticulously cared for, very sharp, one-owner Midwest aircraft is available for showing in Omaha, Nebraska. With new paint and interior in 2013, the aircraft shows very well. The Citation Excel combines light jet flexibility with mid-size comfort. It has low operating cost and accommodates up to 9 passengers. With excellent short-field performance, it can operate out of smaller airports while still offering the comfort of a mid-size jet. It can direct climb to 41,000 feet and is equipped with trailing link landing gear for soft and comfortable landings and taxiing. The exterior of this aircraft is finished in white with blue and black striping. With 80 cubic feet of external baggage and an additional 10 cubic feet in the cabin, the Citation Excel has the largest baggage capacity in its class. The stand-up cabin of this aircraft is over 18 feet in length and provides room for up to 9 passengers. Gray leather seating includes a 2-place forward, side-facing divan, forward club, dual aft forward seats, and a belted lav. It also has a large forward refreshment center and storage cabinet. Avionics include Honeywell Primus 1000 IFCS avionics system. With low direct operating costs and 9-passenger seating, this 1998 Citation Excel is an excellent value. Contact one of our dedicated team of highly trained aircraft sales, acquisitions, and appraisal representatives to help place you in this aircraft today. For more information on this 1998 Citation Excel, please email us at sales@elliottjets.com or call 844-937-5387.